Hey friends, it's Graham here with Team Flitz. Flitz asked me to come out today and give you a little explanation or a little background on one of their top selling products. It's the Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover. Some of the questions that have been coming up is, it doesn't work, or how come it works sometimes, it doesn't work other times? Well, I'm here to tell you what the problem is. I have a piece of, obviously, copper sitting here, and one side's got a coating on it, the other side does not. So if you have a piece of metal that's coated, like a old lamp that you're trying to work on, say like a brass bed, or something along those lines that has a coating, this product will not work. Nobody's product's going to work on a coated piece of metal. And I just want to show you really quick how fast and easy this product is and how it works. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. If you don't know about the product, it's all safe. It's made with organic salt. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this on my finger. It's not going to eat away like an acid would. So I'm going to grab a little bit of this, spray a little bit on my finger, and what you'll see, this is a coated side of metal. I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to rub this here. And if you can make that out, it's not doing anything. Now, watch this. I'm going to do the same thing, spray a little bit more on my finger, and then go to the opposite side where this is uncoated. Now watch this. Instantly, I don't know if you can make that out, instantly it's cleaning. Again, uncoated piece of metal. Now, once I got that done, I take a little bit of water, put it right on the surface. That neutralizes it and it stops the process. So I'm gonna put a little water on there, dry it off, and voila. Now, if you want to polish this out, again, you grab your tube of your Flitz. I can't even talk anymore, I'm so excited about this. Your Flitz polish, take a little dab on there, and then rub it in and rub it right off. So we're going to put a little dab on there, polish it in, and what you'll see instantly is oxidation coming off the metal. If you see that, you know there's no coating on it, and that's what you want. So we're just going to buff that in, buff it right off, and again, within a couple seconds here, it restores your finish and brings it, grab another paper towel here, and brings it right back out to new. Now again, coated side of metal, try to do the same thing. Put it on the area, buff it in, and it doesn't work. So once again, when you're using these products, look for something that's an uncoated piece of metal, and it's going to work the way you want it to. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and I hope this helps explain a little bit more on these two products. Have a good one.